This is the elevator at the Upper Appleby Professional Center in Burlington, Ontario. It is a Schindler 338. It was really busy before, so it should be coming soon. So we just gotta wait patiently for it because it's busy right now. I think there's someone coming to use it, so we'll let them go up at first. Okay, we're gonna 3. What for do you like?
3, please.
Whoa. Have a nice day. Oh, what was sorry about that?
Working on it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
But I hate doing this thing, I really do.
Oh, that's okay. Oh, yeah, well, I'll talk to Debbie too, maybe Thursday I can drop it off and she can come and take it home or something.
This is floor 2.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, it's only a few hours. It won't be that bad. No, I mean,
Yeah.
yeah, it's funny, yeah, Pete just did this, like last week, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I had to take him and,
I got the door for you all.
thank you, Dad.
Got the door for you.
Thank you.
What for do you like?
I'm going to 2, please.
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. Got the door for you.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. You have a nice day.
Hi there, sweetie.
Door closed. I'm gonna get my cab view. It is a nice elevator, but it gets a little busy right now. It makes a lot of noise though, but it's actually a nice elevator. I like 338s. There's your cab, there's your telephone. I'm gonna check what year. Installed in December 2008. If the door will close, there it goes. 1130 kilograms capacity. Oh, we're stopping on 2 again. Oh, great.
I know. Just throw my head in.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Got the door for you.
Thank
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
You too. Okay, gonna close up soon. There it goes. And that is it.